Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're gonna learn about how to make $154 right now from your home from this website. First of all, a disclaimer: you don't need any followers, you don't need any type of experience to do this. You can be a teenager, a mom, a single dad, any kind of these things, and you're gonna make the money. That's the most important thing, and that's what we are gonna teach you in this video. So before I start this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and turn on the notifications. And if you like this video, if you get value out of this video, don't forget to share it with others so we can win together. So today's website is called Digistore24. Before you head to this website and you tell me, yeah, I saw it a million times, I can't sell a product, I can't market, it's okay. You don't need any experience. I'm gonna show you a trick that was never done on YouTube. So we'll go to marketplace, click here on marketplace, and I'm gonna explain you what is this website. So actually this website pays you by your affiliate link. As you guys can see, this is affiliate link. As soon as you get this affiliate link and somebody purchase this product, you're gonna get a commission, and that commission is $142. It depends on the product. Like this product pays you $44 per sale. This product pays you $200 per sale. So this product pays you $39 per sale. As you guys can see, you're gonna get paid by your affiliate link. So that's crazy and that's nice. But the first step I want to show you guys, and the first trick you're gonna do, you're gonna go by sort by. So guys, you're gonna click by sort by sales rank, and when you choose sales rank, you'll see the best products that are right now making the most money. We don't want to go for the most commission, we want to make the most money out of the commission, and that's the best thing. So as you guys can see, this product makes $142, which is crazy. Meticore actually is a fitness product, so we're gonna promote now. We're gonna promote this, and if you want to promote, if you click promote, first of all you need to make an account. We're gonna register now, and as you go, you're gonna type your name and your email and your password. Click your country. This is worldwide, so don't be scared. Put your original country and your address, your country, your Skype name. If you have Skype, that's not required, and click I agree, and then you'll get your affiliate link. So it will be something look like this. So I'm gonna show you a trick right now, the second trick for this video. So you're gonna go to a website called reddit.com. Reddit is a place where you can speak with people posts they talk with each other, comment. It's a very nice website for to sell our products and all these things. It has every conversation you think of. So you'll go to search Reddit, and you're gonna type fitness, or let's say weight loss. You're gonna search weight loss. You can join these communities, and that will be good. And I'm gonna show you what to tell to people so they can buy the product and earn the commission easily without any headache. So as you guys can see, you're gonna type something like this: weight loss tips. Okay, eat a high protein breakfast, avoid sugary drinks. All these are general facts, but if you want people to get into your website or the website that you're promoting and to buy the product, and you'll get crazy commissions just don't tell them, guys, please buy this product. They won't buy. People don't like people when they order or tell them to do something. So you're gonna do something like this exactly. You can change a bit, so most of the guys watching this video, or most of the people watching this video, do add one tip or remove one tip, write it in your own words, and then write for more tips on weight loss. Click here, and you're gonna insert your link here. The link that I'm talking about is your affiliate link that I told you about when you click promote now. So that's the link that you're gonna paste here, and you may put 5, 4, 3, but you get it. Write the tips, and right at the end, for more tips on weight loss, click here and insert your affiliate link. And do this in many Reddit groups, like join the most group as you can, post this everywhere, and you're gonna earn the money. Crazy commissions. You can earn $140 just from one sale. Imagine doing this every day and earning one sale only. You're gonna make $140. Imagine doing this all day. You're gonna earn at least 4 to 3 sales. Like, do the math. 140 times 3. It's crazy amount of money. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, share this video, like this video, and if you enjoyed this video, turn on the notifications so you don't miss daily making money online videos. See you in the next video.